All right, we have another Mammal March Madness update. This time I'm going to use black. It's for a reason. Between the raccoon dog and the hyena moves forward. Wow, that was something else. Hyena. I'm never going to perfect this. And between gorilla and tortoise, the gorilla moves on. So what happened, and I read this thoroughly because I was very upset, still angry. um, the fight took place in a desert, neither of which are native to that place. So the gorilla was really hungry. So he resorted to basically eating his poop because that's what gorillas will do under situations of duress as being in a desert. So the tortoise is digging up a termite hole, and the gorilla notices this, and he's like, wow, I'd rather eat some termites than what I'm currently feasting on. And he basically picks up the tortoise and moves him, displacing him, and eats the termites. The tortoise walks away to dig up another termite hole. So the tortoise did all the work, and the gorilla gets all the credit. I was so hopeful. This was gonna be the year that I got the champion, but it's obviously not. Okay, so round 5, you get 8 points each. I did correctly predict the hyena, so I get 8 points there. So I think I had 76 before, if I remember correctly. So plus 8, I'm ending with a total of 84. There we go. I think. I will double check that math though. Let me know if your numbers are beating mine. Between the hyena and the gorilla, kind of hard because gorillas don't really like attack unless they're threatened, and hyenas are scavengers. So it's like based on the previous round, like I don't think the gorilla would displace the hyena for a food source if the hyena is eating something dead. I don't think gorillas would eat decaying things. But in terms of like manpower, they're animals. They don't have manpower. They have stronger than manpower. Like manpower is an understatement. But I would probably have to go with gorilla at this point. So that's who I would choose if it was between. Well, it is between the two. So I'm guessing gorilla for next round. So yeah, again, these are my total points. I will add them up. I think it's 84. I think I had 76 last round, if I remember correctly. But I'll add those up again because I'm obviously not getting points for a champion. So that would be my ending point. But overall, much better than last year. Last year, I think I was in the 60s because, again, I had the dandelion going all the way. So next battle takes place tomorrow, which is today by the time you're watching this. So I will post another video hopefully on Thursday that you can watch after you take your little quiz. So have a great day. I am sad the tortoise lost. So close. So